Code of Criminal Procedure 1973. In this subject, so we'll discuss about section 154, section 155 and section 156. These three sections represent support cognizable cases and non-cognizable cases. Section 154, so describe about information in cognizable cases. Section 155, information as to non-cognizable cases and investigation of such cases. Section 156, police officers' power to investigate the cognizable cases. So these three sections we will discuss one by one. Section 154 of CRPC. So we have subsections, section 154 of 1 and section 154 of 2, section 154 of 3. So total 3 subsections under section 154 of CRPC. Section 154 of CRPC describes about information in cognizable cases. So what is the subsection? Section 154 of 1. Every information related to the commission of a cognizable offence, if given orally to an officer in charge of a police station, shall be reduced to writing by him or under his direction, and be read over to the informant, and every such information, whether given in writing or reduced to writing as aforesaid, shall be signed by the person giving it, and the substance thereof shall be entered in a book to be kept by such officer in such form as the state government may prescribe in this behalf. So this is the section 154 of 1. And provided that the information is given by the woman against whom an offence under section 326A, section 326B, section 354, section 354A, section 354B, section 354C, section 354D, section 376, section 376A, section 2, 376AB, section 376B, section 376C, section 376D, section 376DA, section 376DB, section 376ER, section 501 of the Indian Penal Code is alleged to have been committed or attempted, then such information shall be recorded by a woman police officer or any woman officer. This is from section 154 of 1. So it provided further that, so here A, B, C are there. So we'll discuss about A. In the event that the person against whom an offence under section 354, section 354A, section 354B, section 354C, section 354D, section 376, 376A, to section 2, 376AB, 376B, 376C, 376D, 376DA, 376DB, 376E. These are 501, 509 of the Penal Code is alleged to have been committed or attempted, is temporarily or permanently mental or physical disabled, then such information shall be recorded by a police officer at the residence of the person seeking to report such offence, or at a convenience place of such person's choice, in the presence of an interpreter or a special educator, as the case may be. So this is the first from this one. And second one is that is a B. The recording of such information shall be a videograph. Okay. Third one C is the police officer shall get the statement of the person recorded by a judicial magistrate under class A of section subsection 5A of sections 164 as soon as possible. So that is the section 154 of A. So now we'll discuss about section 154 of 2 of Criminal Procedure Code, CRPC, Code of Criminal Procedure. A copy of the information as recorded under subsection of 1 shall be given forthwith free of cost to the informant. And come to the section 154 of 3. Any person aggrieved by a refusal on the part of an officer in charge of the police station to record the information referred to in subsection of 1 may send the substance of such information in writing and by post. To the superintendent of police concerned who, if satisfied that such information discloses the commission of cognizable offence, shall either investigate the case himself or direct an investigation to be made by any police officer subordinate to him in the manner provided by this code, and such officer shall have all the powers of an officer in charge of the police station in relation to that offence. So come to the section 155. So this is a section 154. So next one is section 155, information to non-cognizable offences and investigation of such cases. Here total 4 points we have. 1, 2, 3, 4. The first point. So section 155 of 1. So explain about when information is given to an officer in charge of a police station of the commission within the limits of such station of a non-cognizable offence. He shall enter or cause to be entered the substance of the information in a book to be kept by such officer in such form as the state government may prescribe in this behalf, and refer the informant to the magistrate. So this is the section 155 of 1. Section 155 of 2 described about no police officer shall investigate a non-cognizable case without the order of magistrate having powers to search case or commit case for trial. So this is a very important point. No police officer shall be investigate a non-cognizable case without the order of a magistrate having powers to try such case or commit the case of trial. So without magistrate permission, without magistrate order. Okay. So this is the 155 of, and section 155 of 3. Any police officer receiving such order may exercise the same powers in respect of the investigation as an officer in charge of the police station may exercise in a cognizable cases, but not non-cognizable cases. So here investigate except the powers to arrest without warrant. Okay, so this is the section 155 of 3. Next one is 155 of 4, where a case related to or more offences of which at least one is cognizable, the case shall be deemed to be a cognizable case, notwithstanding that the other offences are non-cognizable. This is the 155 of 4. And next one is 156. So 156 has three subsections. 156 of represents to the police officers powers to investigate cognizable cases. So 156 of 1, any officer in charge of police station may, without the order of the magistrate investigation any cognizable cases which a court having jurisdiction over the local area within the limits of such station would have power to inquire into or try under the provisions of the chapter 8. So 156 of 2, no proceeding of a police officer in any such case shall at any stage be called in question on the ground that the case was one which such officer was not empowered under this section to investigate. So this is the 156 of 2. 156 of 3 is any magistrate empowered under section 90 may order such an investigation as above mentioned. So this is the 156 of 3 represent. Next to one, okay, so we have a couple of cases under 154, section 154 of CRPC. So uh, these are the case laws. So first case law is Dinesh Bhai Chandu Bhai Patel versus State of Gujarat. Second case is B. Sushil Kumar versus State of Kerala. Third case is Mukesh versus State of NCT of Delhi. Fourth case is Lalit Kumar versus Government of UP. Fifth case is Sambhu Das versus State of Assam. Sixth case is Patai alias Krishnamurthy versus State of UP. Seventh case is Ravishwar Manji versus State of Jharkhand. Eighth case is Ramdas versus State of Maharashtra. Ninth one is State of Maharashtra versus Joseph Mingal Kohli. Tenth one is State of Maharashtra versus Suresh Nivruti Basure. So 11th one is Jitendra Kumar versus State of Haryana. So these 11 cases they should refer for section 154 of CRPC. So if you refer these 11 cases, then we can understand. So what is a case? What are the judgments of these cases? So we will definitely know about all those things. Next one is 154, 155, 154 we already we discussed. Okay, so now we'll discuss about 156, section 156 of CRPC. Okay, so no cases here right now. I don't have any. Okay, so no information about section 155. So case laws. Okay, so then go with section 156 case laws for section 156 of CRPC. So these four are best case laws for this 156. Okay, first one is Rasiklal Darpatram Takkar versus State of Gujarat. Second one is Naresh Kavarchand Khatri versus State of Gujarat. Third one is Mohammad Yusuf says Afek Jahan. Okay, so fourth one is PV Krishna Prasad versus KVN Koteshwara. These four cases. So you should refer these four cases, case laws for section 156. Okay, so these are the best case laws for the section 154 of CRPC and section 156 of CRPC. So these two are related so to the offenses, okay, of cognizable offenses, cognizable and non-cognizable. Thank you. Please subscribe on this channel and please share this video to your friends and colleagues, okay, yeah, and your classmates, and so whoever know that. So please share this video. So please like this video. So don't forget, please subscribe my channel. So if you subscribe, so you will get more updates. So thank you.